How to delete my Payees on HSBC app. You can't edit your Payees information, but you can delete it. So for this, first you need to log into your online banking here to the HSBC. You need to enter your credentials and log into your HSBC account. Then click my HSBC at the top left of the page and select my bills Payees. Click on the three dots to the right of the page and select delete. And there's an important note for you: if a pay has a future dated payment scheduled, you must first delete all the scheduled payment prior to deleting the pay. That's how you can delete my pays on HSBC app. You just need to follow the step-by-step guide here and you can delete your pays. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video.